High-quality lithium electric gardening tools from Bofi. As a leader of garden tools, Bofi has been developing a lithium power mower suitable for Chinese consumers. The machine uses all-copper motor, long load 72 hours without burning machine. A person can easily cut 10 acres of land, even shrubs can easily cut. Lithium battery 5A, high-grade quality, long endurance. The body has power display. The aircraft light class is selected, which only weighs 1 kg 800, and the length of the body can be adjusted. People of different ages can use it. In addition, Bofi using more protective brushboard, safer to use. The machine can be adjusted to 90 degrees. Bofi leads the landscape industry.